I've been sent 4 polishes from Opulent Essences, 3 new ones and a re-release, so let's take a look. The first of the new polishes is Rhea. It's a plum shade with lovely shimmer running through it and tiny little blue flakies which look really lovely on your nail in real life. It's a little bit hard to show up on the camera, but you can see them sparkling as I put the first coat on. It covers really well in 2 coats and I finished it with a glossy top coat. The next polish is Piper. This is a re-release from the Orange is the New Black collection from a while back. A much requested re-release, and you can see why. It's a really beautiful polish, perfect for summer, lovely orangey red, beautiful shimmer and a tiny little gold flakies. It's just a beauty, this one. If you missed it the first time round, it's had a little tweak and it's now even better. 2 coats and a glossy top coat to finish it. This is Suzuki. It's a beautiful azure blue shimmery polish with a little purple chromy flakies running through it. It's almost the opposite to Rhea, in fact. It goes on quite sheer in the first coat, but it builds up nicely in 2 to 3 coats. I think because my nails are a little bit long, I could see my nail line, so I thought I'd give it a little extra, but you probably don't need to if your nails are shorter. Has a lovely consistency and you can see how shimmery and beautiful this one is. Three coats here and I finished it with a gloss. The last polish is Anapos, who was a Greek god, in case you wondered, Greek sea god. And it's very well named because this is an ocean green, very shimmery, gold flakies running through it. I think I said on my Instagram you'd have to fight the mermaids for this one, and you certainly will. It's such a beauty. 3 coats here. It's quite sheer in the first one, but it builds up nicely. Again, I think because my nails are long, probably needed the extra coat, but you probably won't if your nails are shorter. I finished it with a glossy top coat because it really benefits those sparkly bits inside it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and hit the little bell if you want notifications of my latest videos. See you next time.